Is your money safe? Diving deep into EQ Bank's credentials. Ever feel like traditional banks are stuck in the past? Long lines, hidden fees, and uncompetitive interest rates can leave you wondering if there's a better option. That's where online banks like EQ Bank come in, promising a sleek, mobile-first experience with high-interest savings accounts. But with a new player in the game, a crucial question arises: is EQ Bank a chartered bank, and is your money safe? Let's face it, security is paramount when it comes to your hard-earned cash. You wouldn't leave your wallet lying around, so trusting your money to a digital bank requires confidence. In this video, we'll crack open EQ Bank's credentials, explore what a chartered bank even means, and ultimately answer the question: can you trust EQ Bank with your finances? Behind the scenes of banking, understanding charters. Imagine banking as a game with different levels of access. Traditional banks, the big names we're all familiar with, hold the highest level clearance, a chartered bank license. This license, granted by the federal government in Canada, signifies that the bank meets strict regulations and requirements. It's essentially a stamp of approval, ensuring the bank is financially stable and operates according to specific guidelines. Chartered banks come with a bunch of perks for you, the customer. They have the power to accept deposits, offer checking accounts, and even issue loans. More importantly, chartered banks are members of the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC. The CDIC acts like a safety net, ensuring your eligible deposits up to a generous $100,000 per category, meaning your savings and GICs are protected in case of bank failure. EQ Bank, the digital disruptor. So, where does EQ Bank fit into this picture? Launched in 2016, EQ Bank took the Canadian financial scene by storm as the country's first digital bank. It boasts a user-friendly mobile app, eliminates physical branches, and focuses on offering high-interest savings accounts. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But the question remains, is it a chartered bank? The answer might surprise you. EQ Bank itself technically isn't a chartered bank. Here's the twist: EQ Bank is actually the online face of a much bigger player, Equitable Bank. Founded in 1970, Equitable Bank is a well-established financial institution holding that coveted chartered bank license. EQ Bank, safety wrapped in a modern interface. Now, this might seem like a complicated setup, but here's the good news. Since EQ Bank operates under the umbrella of Equitable Bank, all the chartered bank benefits apply to your EQ Bank account. Your deposits with EQ Bank are CDIC insured, meaning they're protected up to $100,000 per category. This essentially means your money enjoys the same level of security as it would at a traditional chartered bank. Think of it like this: Equitable Bank is the experienced parent, ensuring everything runs smoothly behind the scenes, while EQ Bank is the cool, tech-savvy kid, providing a modern and convenient way to access your finances. EQ Bank, not without its quirks. While EQ Bank offers a secure and high-interest option for your savings, it's important to acknowledge some limitations. Because it's a digital bank, you won't find any physical branches to walk into for assistance. Additionally, EQ Bank doesn't offer checking accounts or other services you might find at a traditional bank. The verdict: peace of mind with a modern twist. So, is EQ Bank a chartered bank? Not directly, but that shouldn't be a deal breaker. EQ Bank leverages the security and stability of its parent company, Equitable Bank, a chartered institution with a proven track record. Your deposits with EQ Bank are CDIC insured, providing peace of mind. Ultimately, the choice depends on your banking needs. If you prioritize a high-interest savings account and a user-friendly mobile app, EQ Bank could be a great fit. However, if you require the full suite of services offered by a traditional bank, with physical branches and checking accounts, you might be better suited with another option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.